When I was growing up, I understood the fact that the only way to be good at doing something is to study it thoroughly and practice it religiously. It occurred to me that things just don't happen on their own. I need to work towards achieving health, wealth, happiness, and high performance. Let's say if you want to become an architect or an interior designer, you study and practice interiors. If you want to be a doctor, you study and practice medicine. If you want to be a fashion stylist or a designer, you study and practice the intricacies of fashion. If you want to be a good cook, you study cooking by joining cookery classes, studying cookbooks, and by using proven recipes. Similarly, if you want to live a life full of energy, passion, health, and wealth, you need to study how to become a highly paid expert and live a successful life. Today, we are living in the 21st century, which is also known as the era of achievement. Never in the history have more people been able to accomplish more things than what people are accomplishing today. More people are becoming successful and wealthy at a faster rate today than any time in the history. There have never been more opportunities for you to turn your goals, dreams, and aspirations into reality than today. You have indeed very bright chances to achieve higher success rate, joy, freedom, and financial stability. I have been in the field of education, training, and learning since almost more than a decade now, and I have learned several important principles, out of which the three absolutely critical elements to become a highly paid expert are: number one, peace of mind; second, financial freedom; and the third, career for life. You can place any criteria you feel is important to live a successful and happy life in one of these three categories. They include everything you would ever desire. Your ideal life is actually a combination of these three absolutely critical factors. You can identify the areas where you think you need to make significant improvements and improve the quality of your life. Now let's look at all these three critical elements in more detail. The first element of becoming a highly paid expert is peace of mind. Without peace of mind, whatever you have or will achieve in life will have zero value. If for any reason you are not happy doing something you are doing today, or you break your commitment or promise, or you compromise with your values and do something forcefully against your wish, your peace of mind is the first thing to hamper. When you are living as per your ethics and principles, when you are living life in a balanced way, then you enjoy peace of mind. Peace of mind is essential for you to perform at a higher level, have extremely cordial relation with your family members, close friends and colleagues at business or at job where you work. In business, peace of mind can be measured in terms of the relation that exists among co-workers. Companies with high profit margins and those which are growing at a faster rate are those wherein people have a feel-good factor for themselves. They feel happy and safe at workplace, and they have peace of mind within. The best thing about experiencing peace of mind is that it is a feeling you experience within yourself. It belongs to you. Happiness is your birthright. Achieving peace of mind should always be your first and foremost priority. In fact, you are only considered to be successful as an individual to the degree in which you can feel happy within. Peace of mind is the first and most critical requirement for becoming a highly paid expert. Now, when I was last discussing this concept with a group of brilliant students here at my academy in Pune, an interesting question was raised by one of the participating students, and it really gave a new insight to the whole discussion. The question was very simple yet extremely powerful. How do I achieve peace of mind? Will it come naturally if I make others feel happy? My way of looking at it is, you can't make others rich and wealthy by staying poor yourself. I repeat, you can't make others rich by staying poor yourself. Likewise, if you don't commit to make yourself feel happy, you can't make anybody around feel happy. Secondly, if you always live your life making others feel happy, you would always be at the mercy of others and their feelings in turn to make you happy, which would never happen. If you always keep trying to organize your life around making others happy, chances are you may end up your life living in deep negative emotional state and frustration. Moreover, you cannot make the other person feel happy unless you make yourself happy first. Peace of mind is extremely critical to become a highly paid and successful expert, and hence you must continuously evaluate it. You must realize where does it come from, under what situation or circumstances you feel happy within, and what can you do to have more peace of mind. In the easiest terms, you enjoy peace of mind and happiness whenever you are completely free from negative emotions like anger, hurt, disgust, feelings of frustration, insecurity, jealousy, and worry. In the absence of negative emotions, you easily enjoy peace of mind. The key to becoming a highly paid expert and living a successful life is then to eliminate or at least minimize all incidences or situations or people who makes you feel stressed and causes negative emotions to generate within you. One of the major obstacles in eliminating the negative emotions is the attachment to the negative people and situations that causes it. You start thinking about all the reasons you must continue in that bad relation or with that person or with some bad habit of yours. Instead of working for you and helping you to come out of that negative situation, your conscious mind works diligently to keep you involved in it. Later in this program, I will show you a variety of ways to control and eventually eliminate your negative emotions. I will teach you powerful techniques you can use to neutralize anger and worry in moments. I'll show you how to take complete control of your emotions and how to keep them positive most of the time. Wow! This was the exact reaction of the group of my students who attended and implemented the learning out of the program with Design and Me, the Elite Learning Academy. Achieving peace of mind is really the most important key in becoming a highly paid expert and living a successful life. The second critical element in becoming a highly paid expert is financial freedom. Financial freedom simply means you have enough money coming in every month so that it covers all the logical expenses related to living a standard and comfortable life. You have enough money so that you don't worry about it continually as most people do. One of the most important elements to becoming a highly paid expert and living a successful life is achieving financial freedom. Financial freedom is far too important to be ignored to future or left to luck. There was a survey done of 15 countries by Accenture, a global consulting firm. Let's see what they have to say. Accenture, a global consulting firm, says 82% of people worldwide are preoccupied with money problems. They wake up in the morning thinking about money issues, have breakfast, go to college or work, talking and thinking about shortage of funds. They are stressed with lack of money literally all day long and probably will remain stressed for the rest of their life. This is certainly not the ideal way in which I want you to live life. Money is a critical, important component of living life. Lack of money always causes worry, stress, anxiety, and will lose our happiness and peace of mind. Ultimately, lack of money may also adversely affect your health and our relationship with our near and dear ones. It is said that one of the major causes of divorce is arguments over money. Financial freedom is extremely critical in becoming a highly paid expert and living a successful life. And you cannot be happy unless you have enough bank balance which gives you a sense of freedom and security to do the things you love and you wish to do. One of the major goals in your life should be to achieve financial freedom without any self-doubt or procrastination. In this program, you will learn what you need to do to achieve financial stability and financial freedom. Many pass outs of my academy have gone out and changed their lives from being absolutely poor to becoming rich and enjoying financial freedom. They now have a stable monthly income and inflow of money and are living a well settled and happy life. They have started and promoted their own business and have marketed their ideas brilliantly and made enormous amount of money. When you decide exactly what you want and decide to be financially free in your life, you will be able to implement the strategies that I am going to share in this excellent program of Design and Me and fulfill all your dreams, aspirations and goals. It all starts with you defining your financial future and then making a plan, a blueprint, creating it. Everything else will follow as you will learn in this program with Design and Me. Now, let's look at the third critical element, and that is a career for life. The third element of becoming a highly paid expert and living a successful life is career for life. Our innermost desire is the need for meaning and purpose in life. To be truly happy, we need a clear sense of direction. What is good for us and what to ultimately do and achieve in life. We need a commitment to continuously learn new things and grow physically, emotionally, intellectually and financially. Your subconscious mind needs you to achieve something bigger and significant in life. You can only be happy when you are reaching step by step closer towards the goal that is really important for you. I want you to think about what sort of actions and activities you most enjoy. What were you working towards achieving in the past which made you feel absolutely fantastic and rocking about yourself? What sort of activities give you the greatest sense of meaning and purpose in life? To perform at your best, you need to know who you are, why you think and feel the way you do, and what are the goals which when you work towards achieving in a step-by-step manner, you feel the happiest about yourself. A major benefit about this program is that it will show you how to be your own psychologist. You will learn how to achieve and manage a positive mindset under almost all circumstances and take complete responsibility and charge for your life. You will learn the critical difference between successful and unsuccessful, happy and unhappy people. You will learn how to take complete control over every aspect of your experience and how to make your life into something truly wonderful. You will learn how to use all the three critical elements, peace of mind, financial freedom and career for life in becoming a highly paid expert and ultimately living a successful life. You will learn how to be happier with your romantic relationships. You will learn why relationships succeed and why they fail. You will learn a series of simple things you can do that can transform your relationships into more loving and caring ones. The ideas, insights and practical guidance contained in this program of Design and Me will bring you greater joy, happiness, financial stability, financial independence and prosperity than you have ever experienced. As you apply these principles to your life, you will see improvements in yourself, your situation and the people around you that will appear amazing. Your whole life will open up and expand towards the horizon of your possibilities as you move on the road of becoming a highly expert and living a successful life. When you begin to practice what you learn in this program of Design and Me, you will enjoy greater financial freedom, exciting goals to which you commit yourself, enhanced self-knowledge, self-awareness and a wonderful feeling of personal fulfillment and personal achievement. Looking forward to have you on board and share strategies and insights with you to achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. Thank you.